These are a set of Suntour forks. They're a pretty standard thing on, fairly cheap kind of mountain bikes, and the seals have gone on both sides. So I'm going to just put it in the vise and see. We'll see what's inside. So this is everything in your Suntour fork. You've got a housing, I guess they're the stanchions, they're pressed in there. Bit of dampening stuff, and that's only on one side. You've got spring in the other bits and pieces, so you just screw off the bolts in the bottom end here. You pop off these things at the top. Hopefully, I think there must be a special tool or something, because I've obviously destroyed these. And then you'll find a bit of thread from these things poking out the bottom of your housing there, and you pop them through with a hammer. Before that, you unscrew these things, and bam, they're apart. They're very simple, very basic, and they're, not a very good quality fork. Anyway, cheers, bye.